Hey everyone, it's Tiffany here and we are at the Dollar Tree. Today we're going to see if we can find some new items plus some viral dupes. Foliating stretch cloth. Now this feels so good. It has like two handles and that would be good to like even use to scrub the back of your back, and oh, I bet that would feel so good. Now they do also have this lavender infused exfoliating bath mitt and a coconut oil infused. They also have one with a glove, and they've got some different colors of this stretch cloth. Oh, you guys, we found our first dupe. Now this is a Detangle Spray. You can use this on wet or dry hair, and I'll show you the dupe right here. Now as you can see, this one is $1.25, and from what I hear, it smells just as good. This looks like a dupe for the glow recipe. This says it's a glowing facial moisturizer with vitamin A, C, and E. It will hydrate and boost radiance. It is scented as strawberry and hyaluronic acid. I am curious to see how this works. We might have to test it out. Also, they have a pineapple and glycolic acid exfoliating facial polish with vitamin A, C, and E. It says it smooths and minimizes fine lines. They also have these facial cleansers. One is a renewing facial cleanser and the other one is a hydrating facial cleanser. I'm definitely loving the packages here. Both of them have A, C, and E. Brightens even skin tones or refreshes and softens skin. This is the dupe for the Olay Regenerous Micro Sculpting Cream. Oh, that feels pretty heavy actually. And you get 1.6 ounces. As you can see right here, this is the dupe. And they also have the Hydrating Night Cream as well. Fragrance free, formulated with E, B5, B3. It's free of all of those. This is also comparable to the Olay Eye Lifting Serum. Wow, Dollar Tree has a lot of dupes. This is a 4-in-1 stackable lipstick. This looks fun. Look how many different colors that you can get, and that way you have a whole bunch of different colors to choose from. Now this is another dupe that I found, this charcoal acne clearing cleanser. As you can see right here, it is much more expensive, and I've heard some good reviews on this, but some people say that the texture is just a little bit different. I'm also being informed that this is another dupe, this lip oil. I'll have to do some digging to find it, but I will find it and I will put it right here. This is what the dupe is for and how much it is, and this is it. This is lemon scented lip oil. It's pretty small. You don't get very much for it. Look how thick that is. This is a nice little hook set. You get 2 pieces for $1.25, and it does come with the screws. It's really nice, and these are metal. Ooh, these are super cute little tea light candles, and they are made of glass. Ooh, these are nice. These are made like metal, and it looks like they have some different sizes here. This is a cute little woven basket for $1.25. That would be good to put like on your counter. Maybe it could collect keys in here. They've got it in a couple different colors. They have it in this light color and this medium brown color, and even like this greigey color. Those will be really nice just to have, you know, throw stuff in if you needed to. Did you know Dollar Tree has their own shipping labels? You can print your own shipping labels at home. These are 4x6s, which is pretty standard. Looks like you get 20 pieces for $1.25. That is a good deal. And don't forget your tape. This is like the craft corner for Christmas at the Dollar Tree. They have a DIY tote bag. They have some bows. They've got some pom-poms. Oh, this is even a pom-pom trim. They have that in red and white. They have this pom-pom craft kit. Looks like you can put a little reindeer together. They have these finger felt puppets. Paint your own ornament. They also have another finger felt puppet. Looks like it's going to be the nativity scene for that one. Color your own ornaments here. And they've got some felt ornaments that you could put like Frosty the Snowman together. Lots of wooden crafts here. Color your own designs. This would be fun to have on Thanksgiving or during the holidays when the kids are off from school. Lots of activities here at the Dollar Tree. These are some Christmas candles. Now this one was already opened and I actually smelled it and it smells so good. Here's a sugar and pine one. These are open again. You guys look at that. They're pretty good size. That one doesn't have much of a smell, but this cranberry one is so good. They have this winter magic one. They even have some wax melts and some candle holders. This is new. You got these flashing lights. It's for $1.25 and looks like these light up. Super fun. They have lots of gift bags here, and I have to say these are really good quality. Look how cute that one is with Santa. They have this cozy Christmas one, season's greetings with some glitter. They've got this cute penguin, and of course my daughter had to show me this cute little kitten one. But here are some more, tons of gift bags to choose from. They even have some gift boxes down there, lots to choose from, and like I said, these are pretty good quality. They have some gift tissue, lots of bows, and even some beautiful gift tags. These are new at the Dollar Tree. I have not seen these cosmetic bags. Look at all the different beautiful patterns that they have. Oh, I absolutely love this one. This is the first time I've seen this glowing vitamin C cleansing gloss. These would be great for travel. You get 20 of these. Cuticle oil balm. Now this is infused with a shea butter, jojoba oil. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Coconut oil and vitamin E. Yeah, $1.25. That would be great to have in your purse. I actually bought some of this and tested it out. This is the Dermasil dry skin treatment, and I have to say I was very impressed with this lotion. It was nice and soft, and I kind of like lotions sometimes that don't have a lot of scent to them. This was nice and light, and it really just soaked up in my skin. They also have this eczema relief body lotion. This has some chamomile flower and colloidal oatmeal. It's very soothing, so if you have that dry skin in the winter, this is definitely a great option. Revitalizing body balm jelly stick. This is very interesting. Fragrance-free, helps restore moisture. These microfiber hair wraps. Now, I absolutely love using these. I use them after the shower for my hair in it. They're nice and light, and versus like using your towel on your hair to get it dry. These are $1.25, and I will show you the price that they are on Amazon right here. Also have these towel scrunchies. Now, this would also soak up water in your hair too. And I like the color, that purple. Ooh, they even have like leopard at this headband. That is very stylish. I love this claw clip. Look how pretty it is. I have seen these flower clips before. Those are really cute. Invigorating tea tree shampoo. Now this is infused with tea tree oil and mint oil. From what I hear, tea tree oil is very good for your scalp. It can really get your hair very clean. Oh, you guys, I found the native dupe. This is a coconut shea butter. It's extra volume conditioner. Now this is the dupe for the native. They have the hot hands here at the Dollar Tree. These are hand warmers, and I'm kind of surprised that they have these here at our Dollar Tree, only because we are in Texas and it does not get that cold, especially in November. I mean, we are 80 degrees, almost 80 degrees currently. Oh, this is my favorite scent from Bath and Body Works, this cherry blossom scent. This is a body wash. I am so surprised here. I might have to try this because cherry blossom scent is my absolute favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. A few new items that just came into the Dollar Tree. Now we are at the Dollar Plus aisle, but these are only $3. I think they're really cute. They do require two AAA batteries actually, and they do turn on. That one's a little, I don't know. Let's see if any of these other ones. Okay, so they're all kind of wiggly. I don't know if they're supposed to be like that or not, but I think they're pretty good for $3. They have this potted poinsettia for $3. That's cute. They have this poinsettia light set. This is $5, and it does require two AA batteries. Let's see if it says the length here. It does, I'm not seeing the length, but there is 30 count. For $5, you can get this cold drink dispenser, and it is BPA free. They have it in the red, and they have it in this clear iridescent. I guess you lift that up, and then you just fill it up. And they also have green. Oh, I love that green. It's all very iridescent. These are the garlands at Dollar Tree for $3. So they have like this poinsettia one. They are 6 feet long, and they have some poinsettias with some white. They have a lot of new ornaments at this Dollar Tree. Look at all of these ornaments. This one is so cute. Oh, you get 2 of those. That's fun. And the little snowmen, they have those in blue, and they have it in silver and gold. Well, guys, that was our Dollar Tree. I think we found some great viral dupes here at the Dollar Tree. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.